Hey friends, welcome back to music. Today we're going to be learning about the piano and the keyboard, and you are going to get a chance to play the foot pianos today. So they're keyboards that you use your feet to play. Now it's very important that you please listen and follow directions of your teacher so we all stay safe and follow directions and keep the instruments in good shape for everyone else to be able to play them. Boys and girls, today I want you to use one foot to play the key that we're asking you to play once we learn a few things about it. So you're going to stand in front of it and use one foot at a time. Sometimes these foot pianos are very slippery, so if you get 2 feet on it at one time, sometimes you'll slip, and we don't want that to happen. So make sure to follow instructions and listen for your teacher so we can all have as much fun as possible and learn as much as possible in today's lesson. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to look for when we're playing the piano is that there are 2 colors of keys. 2 colors of keys. You have the black keys up at the top, and you have the white keys down along the bottom. Okay, so you have black keys and white keys. So your first step when you go to take a turn, you're going to play black keys. Play the black keys. Then I want you to play the white keys. The white keys. All right, now the next thing we need to know about these keys is that the black ones come in a pattern. A pattern, you'll remember, is a repeating cycle. Okay, so the black keys on the piano come in a pattern. You're going to use your music eyes, that's what I say, use your music clues, looking very closely at the keys, and you'll see that the black keys come in a pattern with a group of 2, and then there's a little white space, and then there's a group of 3, a group of 2, and a group of 3, a group of 2, and a group of 3, and it just keeps going and going in the pattern. So you're looking on the keyboard for a group of 2 black notes together. Then you'll see there's a little space, and then a group of 3 keys together, black keys. This is an important pattern so we can find the notes that we need on the keyboard. I want you, on your turns you're going to take around the room, with your teacher's instruction, you're going to find a group of 2 and find a group of 3 and play them, okay? Be looking really closely. Make sure you notice that it follows the pattern. Now, when it gets to the end of the space of the keyboard, sometimes there's only one. Look at this one. It's just one left over right there. But you need to notice that it's following the pattern. Okay, the keyboard, if it could keep going on and on forever, it would keep following that pattern. Group of 2, group of 3, group of 2, group of 3. Okay, so that's your next step when you get around to taking turns. First, you're going to find the black keys and the white keys. Then you're going to find the group of 2 and the group of 3. And then one last thing we're going to cover in today's lesson is we need to find our starting note, okay? And we looked at this note on the music staff. We are looking for middle C, okay? Middle C, an important note. How do we find it? Let's see. I have a little saying, okay? We're going to find that group of 2. Find 2. We're going to take a left, okay? A left. So think about which hand is your right. Which hand is your left, okay? And you can practice on that. And then you need to go to the left. So find 2, take a left is always a C on the piano or the keyboard. C. Find 2, take a left, it's a C. It should sound like this. Middle C always makes the same sound. It should make that sound on there. C, middle C, is what you're looking for on your foot piano, okay? So there's the 3 things I want you to try and find when you take a turn today. Number 1, black keys and white keys. Number 2, the group of 2, group of 3. Number 3, you're going to find a C. Find a C. Find 2, take a left. That's going to be a C.